Hey everyone, this is the founder of Escapegoat Studios, Aaron Procht. For those of you who don't know what Escapegoat Studios is, it's a community of people interested in the world of entertainment, trying to get some experience and generally have a good time. If you want to join, email us at egoatstudios@gmail.com. We're going to be making a Hitalia Axis Powers Abridged series. It's going to be tons of fun, not to mention completely random. It will contain the majority of the characters seen in the actual series, though the plot will be different because we'll be, taking clips of them and rearranging them so that it fits whatever script we decide to write. All spots are currently open. We need voice actors, script writers, video editors, and sound effects artists, though we may change how much staff we need later, like if we decide that we don't need video editors, or we could mush video editors and sound effects artists together. That could change. Now, you don't have to be an Escapegoat staff member to join the team for this project. If you wish to do any of the things I mentioned, just email us at egoatstudios@gmail.com with the subject line Hitalia Axis Powers Abridged Series. In your email, explain why you want to do what you want to do, including what you want to do, like which job, and tell us why we should choose you. For voice actors, however, just email us your auditions with the following format. You can read whatever lines you want, but it is suggested that you read the ones in the description that we make for you for the character you wish to audition for. If the character you want to audition for is not listed, just ask if we can include them. That's all. If you have any questions, post in the comments. Hope to see lots of emails. Bye, you guys!